Hi friends, I'm Senup Jacket Pereira from Sri Lanka. Welcome to my channel Hightech Solver. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of this POCO X3 NFC phone. So let's get into our video.
POCO Phone X3.
Cut. Okay, now let's unbox this POCO X3 NFC phone. So now I have opened this black box. Now I am going to open this yellow box with the POCO logo. And you can see the SIM tool here, and some paperwork with the warranty card, and here you can see the back cover, the transparent back cover. So here is the POCO X3 NFC device. NFC means near field communication, and here you can see a small cardboard, and below this here is the 33 watt adapter, charging adapter, and here is the type C charger. Now let's talk about this POCO X3 NFC phone. Oh, here comes the trouble.
Hi. POCO Phone X3.
This phone comes with the weight of 250 grams and 9.4 millimeters thickness. And when you talk about the screen, this is 6.66 inches long and comes with 1080 to 2400 pixels, and the refresh rate is 120 Hz. And when you talk about the battery, this comes with 5160 milliamperes, and the name of this battery is Li-O. This device is 33 watt fast charging device. And when you talk about the RAM, this comes with 6 GB and the name of this RAM is Snapdragon 732G. There are two colors of this phone. They are cobalt blue and shadow gray, and the sensor, the fingerprint sensor is the power button. It is here. And when you talk about these cameras, this is the interesting feature in this phone. This large camera is the quad camera, the middle camera. It is 64 megapixels, and the ultra wide camera is 13 megapixels, and the depth camera and the macro camera is 2 megapixels each of them. And here you can see the torchlight. You can use this phone by using dual SIM at one time. You can put 2 Nano Sims or use one Nano Sim and SD card. And the OS of this phone is Android 10 MIUI 12. Here you can see the main speaker and the USB Type C port, and you can see the main mic and the 3.5mm audio port. So you can see the IR blaster here and the secondary noise cancelling mic. So now I will tell you how to set up this phone. Just press the fingerprint and the phone will open. You have to wait until this open. You can see MIUI. Here you can see just a second, and MIUI 12, and click this, and you have to choose the language. I choose English and click this arrow, and you have to choose your region. I'm in Sri Lanka, so I choose Sri Lanka and click this arrow. So you have to connect a network and you have to enter the password of the network. I'm not going to add it now, I just skip this. And there is a page in terms and conditions. Just scroll here and tick this and click this arrowhead and checking for SIM card. Just ignore it and press this, and here you can see the page Google services, and I will scroll and click accept. I will skip this step, and I will click this arrow, and you have to choose the theme. I will choose this theme. Okay. And click this arrowhead, and you can see the setup is complete, and click this. So you can see here the loading apps. You have to wait until this setup is completed. You can see here all the apps. Now the phone is completely set up. This is so amazing. There are a few games and there are a lot of things to do. Refresh rate of this phone is 120 Hertz, and when you recording a video, you get 60 Hertz the refreshing rate, and when you are gaming, this comes for 60 to 120 Hertz, and when you are web browsing or scrolling, you get 120 Hertz. The photo quality is so amazing. I will give some pictures of mine.
So guys, this is what we have to talk about this POCO X3 NFC phone. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, smash the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, share this to who's in need, and comment below. Bye till next time.